Namaskar. Did you know that breathing is more than just a physiological process? The way you breathe directly influences your emotion and your behavior. So, today I am going to introduce 4 simple pranayam to begin with. Before we start, it is important to condition your body and mind. For conditioning, sit quietly with legs crossed in Sukhasana. You can sit on chair also, but sit firmly with your spine straight, head straight. Close your eyes and observe your breath for some time. Make a cup of your palm and place them over your eyes. Blink gently in the dark and then open your eyes. Before starting the actual pranayama, it is important to be aware of our breath and our breathing mechanism. To bring more awareness of our breath, let's start with equalizing our breath with Yogendra Pranayama 1, or it is called as equal breathing. Sit in any meditative pose, back straight, shoulders back, close your eyes. In case you are standing, then keep your eyes open. Inhale slowly. Start counting the number, like breathe in and 1, 2 seconds, and then see that you breathe out also in 2 seconds. Slowly start with 3 seconds and breathe out 3 seconds, so that both inhalation and exhalation, they are equal. Concentrate on the gentle flow of breath. Be aware of all your respiratory muscles. Do at least 5 rounds of this equal breathing. Now let's practice Yogendra Pranayam number 2, which is called as Intercostal Breathing. This is also called as rib breathing because the emphasis is on the ribs moving out and in. Usually in our daily life, we don't use these intercostal muscles. Only when we bend forward, we use intercostal breathing. And unfortunately nowadays, people hardly bend forward, and so we don't use these breathings. In intercostal breathing, we have to consciously use this part for breathing. To do that, sit in any meditative pose, straight spine, head straight. Close your eyes. If you want to stand, stand erect, but don't close your eyes. If you are standing, keep 1 foot distance between your feet. Shoulder relaxed, and place your hands now on the lower portion of your ribs, on both the sides, below nipples, thumbs backward. Inhale, extending the intercostal muscles for a count of 3. Start exhaling for 3 seconds and contract the ribs, equalizing inhalation, exhalation. While breathing this, see that you don't use your abdominal muscles or clavicular muscles. Focus on the lower part of your ribs when the lungs expand. Do 5 rounds of this pranayama. Now let's do Yogendra Bhramari Pranayama. It is even called as the bee breath. Bhramari comes from Sanskrit word Bhramar, a black Indian bee. The bee's sound, when it is moving, it echoes sound. It looks like a humming, and so it is humming bee sound. So this is replicated in the practice of this pranayama, Bhramari. The humming sound resonates in the head region, bringing forth a sense of unity and concentration. So first, sit in Sukhasana for conditioning, or you can sit on chair, back erect. Keep your mouth closed tightly throughout the practice. Take a deep inhalation and then start exhaling. While exhaling, make a sound of the humming bee, slowly, smoothly, and continuously. The sound need not be very loud, but it should create vibration. Practice 5 rounds with the pause in between rounds. Now the 4th pranayama we should do is Yogendra Pranayama 4, which is called as Diaphragmatic Breathing. This technique involves the contraction of diaphragm muscle located at the base of lungs. When we inhale, the diaphragm moves downwards, allowing our lungs to expand fully and take more oxygen. When we exhale, the diaphragm relaxes and our lungs release carbon dioxide. There are many benefits of this diaphragm breathing, and this is the technique, one of the best technique. It reduces your anxiety and tension, helps increasing the capacity of your lungs, improves digestion, and enhances the immune system. It is good to know that it also helps removing extra fat around your stomach. To do this pranayama, lie supine. Your legs should be bent from your knee, keeping your both feet close to the hips. Keep both the feet 1 foot apart, knees touching each other. Place your one hand on the abdomen and one hand on the floor, palm facing upwards. Eyes kept closed. Now inhale and move the abdomen slowly upwards. And after that, exhale slowly and move the abdomen inwards, downwards. Abdomen should sink in. Keep the inhalation and exhalation count equal. In pranayama number 4, inhale for 3 seconds and exhale for 3 seconds. You will find it very relaxing, very comfortable, and a person should do it at least 3 to 4 times in a day. You will find that these 4 pranayams are very useful and very good even for beginners. Every pranayam increases the gnana bhav, knowledge in a person, and person should be practicing this with determination. So, include this intercostal breathing and diaphragmatic breathing in your practice every day and experience how much progress you make in your yoga sadhanas. Namaskar.